Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of NEWB, which launched on the 26th of August at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new product from Tom Yevsikov, and what it is, it's a brand new method that has not been promoted before, and it shows you how you can make easy commissions with an average of around $300 to $400, maybe even $500 a sale without websites, by pulling traffic to you using this unique system with no hidden fees, no upfront expenses, and 100% autopilot income. So it's called NEWB for a reason. Obviously, it is a method that is completely suitable for new internet marketers and affiliate marketers. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up NEWB from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 custom bonuses, and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will expire. And of course, folks, I really don't want that to happen because they are, by definition, custom bonuses, which means that they are exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of NEWB, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are just a little bit special. So what is NEWB all about? Well, it's a system for which you don't need traffic, content, or a website to start making sales with this, guaranteed. You can make ridiculously easy $366.95 commissions without websites by pulling traffic to you using this unique system. There's no hidden fees, no upfront expenses, 100% autopilot income with a tweak. And Tom is going to prove the claims on video here, so you can obviously watch the sales video, which is just on this page here, which is the sales page. Obviously, on my page I've actually got the demo video. Excuse me. So if you're watching this on the 26th, then you've got until midnight Eastern Standard Time to use this coupon. So this coupon code is NEW5OFF, all right, NEW5OFF. So when you click on the buy buttons here, and you get taken to the page on Warrior Plus to purchase this, if you enter in this code NEW5OFF, then you will get a discount of 5%. Okay, so what is this product all about? Well, it's the easiest system ever type of method. You can get results in less than 24 hours. Real student results and testimonials. You don't need any budget to make money with this. It works on complete autopilot. It's easily repeatable and scalable. It's not a high ticket commissions product. No technical skills required, and it's 100% ethical and white hat. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time on the testimonials part of the site. The team here is Tom Yevsikov, Gorab Bora, and Sorin Konstantin. So what is this all about, folks? Right. What it is about, you're going to be given a library of WordPress plugins, WordPress themes, yeah, over 50 WordPress plugins and over 200, I think it is, WordPress themes. Now, these are all themes that virtually all businesses need for their websites. Now, most people don't know what WordPress plugins they need for their site. They don't know which theme to use often. And they often go and outsource these themes on sites like Fiverr and other outsourcing platforms. Now, this is where you come in, because Tom is going to give you, it's a 9-module training series, and it's going to take you through exactly how you can find these clients very easily that will pay you big money to install these themes. Now, as I said, everything is done for you. There's nothing to pay out here at all, because you have got all of the major plugins that people need for their websites. It's just a case of identifying the needs of the individual client and then installing on their website the themes that you have already got or the plugins, depending on what their needs are, and then obviously agreeing a price with them. And all of that is done in the training. Everything is going to be shown to you on a plate. That's why it's obviously called NEWB, because it's completely done for you and newbie friendly. And you can very easily earn very good 3-figure commissions from this, because when people go out and get quotes for these individual items, they are going to be way higher than the prices that you are going to be charging, because you're going to be able to do absolutely everything. So if you identify a client and they need, say, 7 different plugins to be able to run their site in the way that they want to run it, you are going to have those from your library, because you have got plugins that cover pretty much all of the major needs that any business could want their website to be able to do. You are going to have a plugin that actually solves that. And as I said, all of this is provided free to you, or obviously it's part of the front end price, but you have got all the plugins and themes that you need to actually be able to run this system. All right, so we'll come back and go through it in a little bit more detail. But first, let's just cover these custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here, and this review video will be here. These are just the points about NEWB that we've already gone through. And this is essential, folks. This is 5 minutes or so of the demo video. I strongly recommend that you first watch the sales video, which is about 8 minutes long on the sales page, and then watch this demo video.
And welcome to this short demo video. In this one, I'm going to show you exactly what you are going to get inside our product and platform.
Okay, so this is a complete walkthrough of the members area, folks. It's not just a 2-minute demo video. Gorab, I think it is, or no, actually, I think it's Sorin on this one. He will walk you through the entire members area, show you how you access the 9-module training video. Then he will take you in and show you each of the plugins. Well, not each and every one in detail, but you'll be able to see all of the plugins. Then he'll take you in and show you the themes. He'll show you how you download a plugin, which is dead easy, how you download a theme, and how you install it. Yeah, so and obviously all of this is covered in much more detail in the training video. So these are dead easy to do. Okay, so these are the bonuses that I'm going to give you. Now there is a decent amount of training in here about outsourcing, and one of the platforms they're going to cover is Fiverr. Yeah. Now, to really give you an edge to succeed on Fiverr, I'm going to throw in this 3-hour masterclass. Now, this is absolutely the top masterclass on Fiverr that tells you the winning techniques that you need to know to get your bids listed and accepted at the highest level on Fiverr. So if you take the trouble to study and implement the Fiverr masterclass that I'm giving you, then I would say it's almost impossible to fail with NEWB, yeah, because you will have excellent tools that you have got at your resources that you've got at your disposal. All you need to do is to be able to get gigs. So with this combination of NEWB plus this 3-hour Fiverr masterclass, you are certain to succeed with NEWB. Okay, secondly, I'm just throwing this one in case, because obviously this does involve installing WordPress sites. Now, you need to know the basics of how a WordPress site operates. I know that there are some of you that are brand new that maybe don't. So this is just a WordPress for Dummies tutorial from John O. Armstrong, super affiliate. He will show you how to create a brand new WordPress site from scratch and set it up. So just in case you don't currently have a WordPress site or know how to use one, this will teach you all the basics, and then you'll easily be able to install these themes and plugins onto your clients' sites. As I said, more training on this is actually included inside, but I wanted to put this in. We're going to be talking obviously about high ticket clients with this method, because we are going to be talking to people that are going to be paying you 3 figures, maybe even 4 figures in some cases. This is just a quick tutorial on how to qualify high ticket clients by phone, so that you don't waste time with clients that where there's no prospect of them actually giving you business. So a little bit of sales training, really, this is. The next one is a social media masterclass. Obviously, one of the ways that you can promote the services that you've got to offer with NEWB is via social media. It's completely free traffic. This is a 2019 masterclass showing you how to monetize all the major social media platforms. And finally, 17 ways to win agency clients. As I said, there's plenty of good training in NEWB already, but this is an extra tutorial showing you 17 different more ways that you can actually get agency clients that will want to buy the products and services that you're going to be able to offer them with NEWB. All right. So they are 5, I hope you agree, high quality bonuses there that really add value to the front end product of NEWB. All right, so let's head back, folks, and just work our way through this. There's very little competition in this field, folks, yeah, because, as I said, mostly people are going to be buying these individual plugins individually, which is going to cost them loads and loads of money. There aren't many people at all out there that are offering to set people up with all the plugins they need. The only place you will find them is on outsourcing sites like Fiverr, which you're going to be able to do. So you're going to be selling services with massive demand and very low supply. It's hard, expensive and time consuming for people to do it on their own. You can see why. You've got to buy premium plugins and themes at a costly price, get the correct licensing rights, and constantly make sure your licenses and everything's updated. But with the system that you're getting here, everything is already done and fully licensed for you. The research done for you, the themes, the plugins, the clients and the scaling, everything is set up simply. Okay, so the 3 stages setting this up. Firstly, the newbie method. It's broken down into 9 easy to follow specific modules that you watch through. Cost and paste materials, no manual work or research needed. After you've done the training, you'll be asked to perform certain tasks with the themes and plugins. And number 3, scaling for big money. It's easy to scale this up as well. That's just the demo video that's over on my page. Here's some more testimonials, which I'm not going to go through now. Here are some vendors bonuses that everyone gets. Fast action bonus number 1 is a special live webinar training. Fast action bonus number 2 is another training on how to find and close high paying clients. You've got extra ones from me as well. How to write compelling headlines as well is a fast action bonus number 3. Now I've also got some bonuses from the vendor to give to you, and they are 10 former products of the vendor. Now I can't actually show you this up on screen because the page with them on has actually got the download URLs on it. So obviously if I actually put it on screen, all you'd have to do would be to pause the video and you'd have all the information to download the bonuses. So I'm going to tell you manually what they are, and you will have to drop me an email to claim these, folks, yeah? So let me tell you that. This is NEWB, so that's NEWB, yeah? So the subject line of your email should be NEWB vendor bonuses. That's all, nothing else. NEWB vendor bonuses, yeah? Then drop me an email to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. That's contact@elitetigersgroup.org. I'll repeat it after we've gone through the bonuses. So these are the 10 products that you're going to get. These are all previous products from Tom Yevsikov and the team. 10K ClickFunnels case study. No cost commission. Build an unshakable business. These are all standalone products. Commission fire. 60-minute profits. Video quiz game. WordPress affiliate fix, WordPress video commission plugin, branding secrets, and traffic secrets unleashed. So if you would like those 10 vendor bonuses, just drop me an email with the subject line NEWB vendor bonuses. Send it to contact@elitetigersgroup.org. Enclose your receipt and I will send you back the download links for those vendors bonuses by return. All right. Okay, folks, 6 reasons why this is the best system for you. It's designed for all levels and backgrounds. Anyone can do this. Solving problems for hungry clients who want your solution and are searching for it online. Even if you've been burned before and on a shoestring budget, you don't need any money to do this. No tech skills required, unlimited potential, very scalable and easily scalable. Prices then, folks, with these fast action bonuses, $22.95, less of course your 5% discount if you're before midnight on the 26th. So just use that coupon reminder there. It is where have we gone? New 5 off. You just need to enter that, and then you'll get the discount. All right, folks. So let's just have a quick look before we wrap up at the funnel. So the first upgrade is NEWB Pro. This is $47. It includes an over-the-shoulder case study on how they made $7,734 just by selling these themes. It also includes 100 extra themes and 120 plugins. Yeah, you're getting about 50 just over plugins on the front end. This gives you an extra 120. This is well worth taking, folks. Looking at the stats, because it's already launched, most people are taking this, folks, because it's a good bargain. Upgrade number 2 is autopilot mode. Okay, so this is $97. You can make 10 times more profits faster and easier with this outsourcing method. It shows you how to automate your business easily while enjoying your life. Done for you selling system for the WordPress Premium Vault. It comes with a done for you sales page, a free report to collect leads, an opt-in page, a thank you page, and a 7-day email sequence. Upgrade 3 is the New Business VIP Club. This is either $37 a month or $127 a year, and this will give you exclusive new themes and plugins every single month, which will give you more stuff to sell on, obviously. And upgrade 4 is Newbie Reseller, so this is $197. It's reseller rights, so that you can sell this product on as your own and keep 100% commissions. And that is pretty much it, folks. Just a reminder that if you want to pick this up and get all of these custom bonuses of mine, all of this extra value, you just need to click on the green buttons here. That will bring you through to this page. Click on Add to Cart. Use the coupon code if you're in time to use it. And then that will bring you into your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of NEWB, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to it. Great method, this. Really like it. It is suitable for newbies, and it is different. Never seen this offered before. Never seen anyone give all these plugins and themes away to anyone before either. It's a great opportunity. Use them yourself as well, of course, on your own sites. Anything you need to use and that can benefit your business, do use it. Going to give this 4.5 out of 5. And all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, please click on subscribe on the button underneath, and you will be informed every time I release a new review. And this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of NEWB.